Stop by and take a look at the 2025 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, fog lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.